In this video, I'll show you how to open tickets on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Discord account, right? So this is our Discord account. So I want to open a ticket, right? I want to open a ticket on Discord. So what you need to do, you need to join any of these Discord servers, right? You need to join any Discord server of your choice. Let's say I want to join this, right? I want to use this for example. I'll join this. So I want to open a ticket on this server, right? What you need to do once you have joined the Discord server, scroll down. You would see the ticket option, the ticket or support option. Click on it. This would appear, right? This is the ticket too, right? So I want to open a ticket right here on this Discord server. So what I need to do now, I'll click on this create a ticket, right? Create ticket. So I have opened the ticket on this Discord server, and these are the moderators. The mods will get to me very soon. Once you see this ticket number 1568. So I'll click on this. So this is my ticket here on this Discord channel. So what I need to do now, I'll type in, let me say, good channel, right? So this is basically a test video. So no need for much. Good channel. So once I'm done, I'll click the enter button on my keyboard, right? Enter. So this is it. This is how you can open tickets on Discord. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.